Hey, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. We're going to do a quick video here. If you skip, you're going to miss it. You ever wonder how those people get a twisted handle on their rod? Well, you need a piece of rope or paracord. I'm using paracord here. And you'll need tape. I got painter's tape. Tape that end down. Tape it down nice and snug. Now, if you skip, you're going to miss it. You take your paracord. This is my paracord. I've already got it cut. Take my paracord. I'll snug it down. And I'll wrap it around. Now, you make the gaps as big or little as you want them. And once you got that wrapped down, see how that's wrapping around there? See how it is? Then you're going to take this end. You're going to run it down here and you're going to tape it off just like you did the other end. Tape that thing off. This is a dirty piece of tape. I probably should got a clean piece of tape. Heat shrink. You can buy it on Amazon, any color and any size you need. Take your heat shrink. This one's cut a little crooked. We're going to use it anyway. Put the heat shrink over the rope. Now make sure you go in the same direction when you're putting that on there. Put that up there to where you like it. Set that down. Get your heat gun. I'm getting my heat gun. Here's my heat gun. Turn your heat gun on. Let that thing warm up. And then start shrinking your heat shrink. Yeah, I see the blue. Like I said, this was cut. This was cut a little bit crooked, but I'm going to use it anyway. This is my rod. And you just heat shrink that on there. Might I'll turn that thing up on high so we can get done so y'all don't be skipping. I know how some of y'all are. Y'all like to skip. And then what it's going to do, it's going to shrink around that handle and shrink around that rope you put on there. It's going to give you a really nice go-to handle for bigger fish. Now, once I get it done like this here, I'm going to take it and turn my heat gun down and just kind of go back over it because you don't want to get your heat gun too close. You get your heat gun too close, you'll burn that heat shrink. So you see about the distance I am. And you want to be careful because that booger bear gets hot. And we're about done here. Y'all hang in there. Don't be skipping. We're going to shrink this end down. We got that down. See, I burned a hole in my table there. That's how hot that thing gets. We're going to turn this down. Get a little hot on the fingers. And then we're just going to come back over it and make sure we got it all nice and shrunk down to like we like it. And turn that heat gun off. There you go. You see the twisted handle. Gives you a good grip. Works out real good if you're going after big fish. Gives you a really nice, good grip. That's hot. Y'all be careful when you're messing with that heat gun. It'll burn you. Okay, there you have it. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Y'all subscribe and like the channel. And until next time, go fishing. Happy RVing. I hope y'all can see how that come out. All right, we'll see you on the next one.